Welcome to the new episode of Flora in the Kitchen. This is Flora Alayan and welcome to my channel. I am a Filipina and I usually speak in our native language, which is Filipino. But in this episode, I will use simple English language for my viewers and subscribers from different countries. Our recipe today is suggested by my husband for my son's 18th birthday. We will now try to cook the Singaporean salted egg mixed seafood. I had no idea how to cook it, so I browsed the internet and I found the site of the Singaporean local favorites.com. The site is all about the Singapore food cooking recipe. Let us take a look on how the Singaporean salted egg seafood is being cooked. The seafood they use are just crabs. The crabs are coated with flour and then they will deep fry them. The salted egg sauce is cooked separately and is made with butter, evaporated milk, garlic and onion, salt and pepper, some curry leaves, sugar, chili, and seasoned with chicken powdered seasoning. At the end of the procedure, the crabs, the fried crabs, and the sauce will be mixed together in a pan on medium-low heat so that the crabs is coated well by the sauce. So now, please allow me to cook my version of Singaporean salted egg mixed seafood based from the available ingredients that my husband had provided. Let's prepare the ingredients, then proceed to cooking. And please watch till the end.
This is 2 kilos of spider crab. Let's remove the barnacles with this straight squared off tip knife. This is called nikiri knife or vegetable knife. Let's use kitchen scissor to separate the carapace and the body. The video at the side was sent by my husband when he was buying this spider crab. He bought this fresh and alive. Okay, now we can pull the body and the carapace apart. Wow, luckily it's a meaty crab, thanks to my husband. This is scampi or langoustine. Remove the antenna. Okay. Cut the swimmerets and pointed abdominal segment sides. Then cut between its walking legs for us to easily open when we eat them and to allow the ingredients or flavor to blend to its meat. And cut also the abdomen. Okay. Scampi are basically clean, so wash them quickly. Next is shrimp. Cut this rostrum. Also cut this antennal blade with the antenna. This is antenna. Then remove the intestine. To remove the intestine, I use toothpick or any pointed stick. Next, let's wash and clean this 1 kilo crabs. We can just wash them with tap water, but I always remove the abdomen. And in this recipe, let's cut the bigger crabs in half. and also wash them quickly. Now, the seafood ingredients are all cleaned and prepared. We will not deep fry them. I will not coat them with flour, but we will cook them in coconut milk. Okay. And these are the ingredients for Singaporean salted egg seafood. I have curry powder and evaporated milk. These are salted eggs cut in half and use only the yolks. Some other use the whole egg, but the original is only the yolk. Now crush them well with a fork. So these are all ingredients for salted egg sauce: butter, curry powder, parsley, garlic, and onion. Let's start cooking. Heat our wok or pan and put our seafood ingredients. No frying. Add the 2 cans of coconut milk. Do not use too much coconut milk. Spider crab is optional. It's not recommended. Add water for a lighter coconut milk just to enhance the taste of the meat instead of frying them. Okay, add garlic, sliced onions, then ground black pepper, salt, then 1 teaspoon sugar. We add sugar instead of powdered seasoning. Then let them simmer for 30 minutes. Then we will cover it and check it from time to time. For our salted egg yolk sauce, add 120 grams of butter for 6 kilos of seafood. I am now adding 3 cloves of minced garlic. Then let's give some stir. But wait, let's check our seafood. Add now the sliced onion and wait till it becomes translucent. Now, let's add fresh parsley leaves instead of curry leaves. This is the Italian influence that in seafood, use fresh parsley leaves. Okay. Now, let's add salted egg yolks and stir this for 3 minutes. Let's now add the evaporated milk. Okay. Again, pay attention to our seafood. The fire is still on, don't forget that. Back to our sauce, add the curry powder. Then continue stirring till it becomes thick sauce. Our salted egg yolk sauce is done. Turn off the heat and set aside. Let's check our seafood. Okay, they are cooked already. Let's put them in a bowl and leave the liquid in the pan. I have remaining fresh scampi here, so I will cook them also in this coconut milk. Let's wait this to boil before adding the remaining seafood. For the meantime, I'll prepare my serving pan for final procedure. I am now adding the rest of the seafood in our coconut milk. Sorry, I don't have a big wok or a pan to cook them together, and we should not mix a whole spider crab with other seafood. It's so big. It's just a special request of my family to cook them together for my son's 18th birthday. We can simmer this scampi for just 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, let's arrange the cooked seafood in this pan. You may use large serving bowls. This is the final touch. The rest of the seafood is cooked already. The coconut milk is now like a thick sauce. Let's combine the salted egg yolk sauce and the coconut milk sauce. Mix them together and stir on low heat. Now here it is. Take a look at our version of salted egg sauce. This is rich and creamy, but I will not cook the seafood directly to this sauce. Let's finish arranging our cooked seafood on this pan. Now, carefully and evenly pour our sauce. This is my version of salted egg seafood. Not deep fry, but is cooked in coconut milk. And the coconut milk will be combined to the salted egg sauce. And instead of curry leaves, I use curry powder and parsley leaves for the greens to enhance the color. Then since this sauce is very rich, I prefer to just pour it to our seafood curry. So the choice is with us whether we cook and stir the seafood to the thick sauce. You have a choice for a lighter dish procedure. I will now garnish it with some fresh parsley leaves. Okay, done? Wow, yummy and delicious. The meat of this spider crab is intact. Okay. Wow. We need a hammer, don't forget that, to crack its legs. Now that it's ready, I will call my son to taste it since it's his birthday. Buon appetito!
Thank you for watching, and I hope you like it and learn something from this episode. And always remember that the best ingredient in every recipe is patience. And don't forget to put love in cooking.